Laya, here's a happy birthday card for you. Daddy's got it. Happy birthday. Daddy's got
this is
it. From Grandma.
From Grandma, Alaya.
Happy birthday card for Alaya.
See? It says 3. Big birthday wishes for a big birthday boy.
Wow.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
And money.
Happy birthday. Have lots of fun, 3-year-old. I love you, Alaya. Have a happy birthday, Grandma Carrie.
Wow.
Hugs and kisses.
I want money.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Alaya.
Here, you get those.
Don't let
Liam's stealing the money.
Those are George stickers, honey.
I want the
go.
SpongeBob one.
Alaya, say thank you.
Say thank you, Alaya.
Alaya, right here.
Here, you can have this.
Alaya, right here. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You know how to say it.
Thank you.
And say thank you. Thank you. Here you go.
Wow, what do you got? Stickers. You got stickers.
Go
You
sit
want
at
to
your
put it on?
table.
You want to put them on your card?
Go sit at your table.
Yeah.
Happy birthday card for Alaya.
There's one for you. One for you.
Daddy.
What, honey? Just calm down. Liam. Sit there for a second. Oh, wow. Look at cars.
What's those?
Those are cars.
Wow.
Yep, those are stickers, and these are yours. These are just stickers. Just regular stickers. George stickers.
Daddy.
Yep, just a second.
Open Alaya's one. Open Alaya's one.
There you go. Here, Liam.
Oh, he's so destructive.
Here. Can you get him?
No.
I'm trying to help you.
No.
See? Don't be a crab.
No.
You
He
put it right
wants
here.
to do it. Just let him struggle.
Yeah.
Dear.
Yeah. You want me to do another one? Goes like that.
But dear.
Wow.
But Dad. Dear.
You can do it.
Dear.
Get it with your fingers. Yep, just like that. Good job. You can get it. Good job. You're doing it. Doesn't help that I cut his nails today.
No.
Daddy.
There, I got it started for you. You're welcome. You're welcome. There you go. There's 3 of them. You're welcome.
Are you talking, Calvin? You talking?
you go.
Are you talking, Kevin? Are you talking? Hi. Hi. Are you talking? Yes.
Daddy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Uh-oh.
Liam, are you cute? Are you cute?
There you go.
Yeah. Little white curls. Yeah. Are you cute? Are you cute, Kevin? Are you cute? Yes. Yes, you're cute, Kevin. Why aren't you smiling? You want to eat? You want to eat? You want to eat?
No.
Okay, say bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye, thank you. Wave to the camera. Bye, thank you. Alaya, thank you.